Today's topic is, do you enjoy reading? Definitely. I've been a bookworm since I was young. I remember when I visited my relatives with my parents, I would always look for books in their house. While other kids were playing, I just sat quietly in the room and read. Reading has always brought me calm and happiness. So yes, I truly enjoy reading. Do you like going to the cinema? Yes, I do. I really enjoy going to the cinema, especially with my family or friends. It's not just a big screen, it's a feeling of being together. I don't go that often, but every time I do, it makes me happy. Do you like using a mobile phone? Definitely. I rely on my phone for pretty much everything. Texting my friends, scrolling through social media, attending online classes, and even doing some online shopping. It's like my digital assistant that helps me stay productive and in touch with the world. Do you like drinking tea? Yes, I do. I enjoy drinking tea, especially green tea. It helps me relax and stay focused when I'm studying or working. I also think tea is a healthy option compared to sugar drinks, and it's a big part of our culture. Do you like spending time alone? Yes, I do. I think being alone helps me relax and clear my mind. I usually read a bit, listen to music, or just go for a walk when I'm by myself. It's a nice break from the busy world, and I feel more balanced afterwards. I enjoy hanging out with others too, but having some time alone is really important for me. Do you prefer mornings or evenings? Well, even though I don't get up very early every day, I think I still prefer mornings. I feel more focused and energized in the morning, so I can get more things done compared to the afternoon or evening. So, yes, I like mornings. Do you often stay up late? Yeah, quite often. I'm more productive at night, especially when I feel inspired. Sometimes I just lose track of time. What do you usually do when you stay up late? I write in my journal, listen to music, or plan my task for the next day. How do you feel the next morning if you stay up late? Well, a bit tired, but I can manage with a cup of coffee. Did you often stay up late when you were a kid? Just occasionally, like during festivals or when there were family gatherings. My parents usually made me go to bed early. What do you like to do in your free time? In my free time, I like to do things like help me relax. For example, I enjoy going to the park, reading novels, or going shopping with my family or friends. I try to keep a good balance between work and family life because I really believe in maintaining a healthy work life balance. What kind of music do you like? Well, I seldom listen to music, but once in a while, when I'm doing house chores, I might play one of those top hits of the year playlists. I just put it on in the background while I'm working. So I guess I don't have a particular type of music I prefer. I've never really thought about it. But those yearly top playlists are quite nice, to be honest. Do you celebrate Christmas? Yes, I do. I usually spend Christmas at home with my family. We keep it simple. We relax and enjoy a family meal. What I enjoy most is exchanging small gifts. There's something really sweet about unwrapping a little present and trying to guess what it might be. It's such a simple moment, but it always feels fun and joyful. Do you work or study? I'm a student. I study at a university and I'm majoring in education. I choose this major because I love helping people learn. My mom is also a teacher and she inspires me a lot. I really enjoy my studies and I hope I can be a good teacher in the future. Do you like watching movies? Well, I used to enjoy watching movies a lot. When I was at university, my close friends and I often went to the cinema on weekends. We watched a movie and then had dinner together, which was always fun. But nowadays, I don't watch movies as much. I think I enjoy reading more because it helps me relax and learn something new. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is definitely summer because I like warm weather. In summer, I can wear light clothes and beautiful skirts, which makes me feel comfortable and relaxed. It's also easier for me to go for a walk when the weather is warm. In winter, it feels too cold and I don't want to go outside. I need to put on thick jackets, maybe even a hat, and it just feels too troublesome. So yes, summer is my favorite season. Do you cook often? I cook sometimes, but not very often. I usually make simple meals when I need to, but cooking is not something I do every day. It depends on my schedule and how I feel. What do you do? I'm a full-time housewife at the moment. In my free time, I learn English and create English content to share my learning journey. It's a hobby that makes me feel happy, and I feel proud every time I make a little progress. Do you like traveling? Well, I like traveling, especially to places with beautiful nature. I enjoy visiting scenic parks and mountains. I remember hiking on a mountain trail. The path had many tall green trees on both sides, and everything looked so fresh and peaceful. It felt like walking in a beautiful painting. The view was wide, open, and very calm. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is definitely blue because it reminds me of the sky. Whenever I look up and see a clear blue sky, I feel a sense of calm and relaxation. It almost feels as if all my worries disappear for a moment. When I'm stressed or exhausted, I usually go for a short walk, and simply gazing at the blue sky helps me recharge and feel at peace. For me, blue represents both relaxation and inspiration. Do you prefer studying alone or with others? To be honest, I don't really mind studying alone or with others. I feel comfortable in both situations. When I study with someone, I like the feeling of having company, but when I study alone, I can also enjoy the quiet time and focus well. So either way is fine for me. Where do you live? I live in a small suburb. It's a quiet, friendly area, close to schools, shops, and public transport. I like living there because it's convenient and it only takes a short trip for me to get into the city whenever I need to. Do you like to spend your weekends at home or outside? Well, it really depends on my mood. If the weather is nice and I feel like getting some fresh air, I prefer going to a park or having a small gathering with my family or friends. But if the weather isn't so good, I'd rather stay at home, read a book, and just relax.